Hello, my name is Mike Reed, and I'm bringing you a video on Bunn commercial drink machines. Thank you for watching the video. This video pertains to people that are close to California. There's a class that's going to be in Cypress, California in September. I misspoke on another video when I said that there was only a Central and East Coast class for Bunn. I looked up another form, and on this form was California. So for all the people, California and Idaho, all the people in Portland, all the people in Nevada, and even people that are in Colorado, here you go. Here's one for you. So here is here's a breakdown for the Bun class in California. Let me show you the ticker. Some of you might have already looked at the one for the East Coast. So this is September 26th and 27th. You must first take all the online modules before they will let you attend the in-person class. I'm going to show you what that looks like in case it's your first time. Let me show a little something to you about what this equipment, the cost of some of this equipment. Now, you see 2,000 on the screen. You see some that are 1,000. These are in every last one of your diners, in your office buildings. These units are everywhere. These units are everywhere. Here's one I was just working on yesterday. This was in a salad shop. That's all they do is sell salads, and they use this to brew two different types of teas. So it has a switch, left for the left carafe and right for the right carafe. And that's all this thing does is brew tea, and that's the cost of one of these. You're looking at $1,000. Some might be a little as low as $850 on up. So these are definitely worth servicing. Here they have units that are 2,000, 2,500, and they go on up. They have units that are $25,000 on up. All right, so I'm showing that because it's something I left out from the last video. So as I go along, I'm going to try to show more, working on it, working on this delivery. All right, I'm going to show you another screen now. This is from the Bunn Learning Center website. This is where you're going to start. You're going to set up an account, go over to training, then you're going to go over, and it is the certification programs. Going over to certification programs, you have the Bunn. It says online, but it's actually for the class. So, and here it is. Here's where you go in, you can sign your agreement saying that you're not going to sue them, blah, blah, blah. If you get burned or scalded by any hot water, so you can take care of the agreement. I've already checked that. You take the pre-test, already checked that. See, it says pre-test is complete. And then you can go in and you take the other modules. There are 9 of them. Then you're going to take a test. And then once you take the test, pass the test, then you can go ahead and email Amy and get the ball rolling. Now in these modules, you already gotta have, see this one says coffee and tea basics. This is the brewing systems. Let me go further down on some of these. They have grinders. So when you go into the grocery store and you can buy whole beans, that grinder that's there, I am fairly certain there is a 90% chance that grinder is a Bunn coffee grinder. Right. And then once you go into the modules, and what the modules are going to look like, they're going to look like this. They're going to look like this one here. And you have the ability to Let me see here. You have the ability to go in. All right, I had to complete this. And then it's going to tell you, it tells you yes or no. This is actually a test I'm in the middle of. Click on the switch that is used to quickly exit the program. And that I actually do not know. I'm going to say it's that one. Oh, got lucky. Got lucky. All right, so this is what the little test look like. Let me show you what the actual. Here we go. Let me show you if I can get back. There we go. It doesn't look like it's letting me back. So you know what? I am going to start a new module for you. We'll go to grinders. Go to grinders. Let's see if it's going to let me jump into it. All right, in this module, so they explain everything to you. They have two different type of grinders that they manufacture, so they tell you everything. It takes you everything step by step, step by step. Everything is explanatory. You can go back, just like I did. You could jump around. You just have to complete all 9 modules, and they tell you everything you need to know. Everything is here. You can go over this as many times as need be. As you see here, I can jump around. It's just that I was stuck on that test function. Once you start the test, you got to finish it, and then once you finish it, pass or fail, you can go back, and they tell you what you get wrong. It tells you how to program the unit, the whole nine. Okay, so I'm going to try to finish this up. So this is what you'll see in taking the virtual class that's going to prepare you for the in-person 2-day class that you're gonna sit down. This one is for you West Coast people. I have quite a few people that follow me on the West Coast. So this is for Cypress. It's going to be in Cypress, California, but you just can't show up. You must complete those modules. You must finish with the test. Then you contact Amy, and she's going to secure a place for you in the class. And she'll explain to you if there's any costs or anything like that. Years ago, there was a cost. I don't know what it is now. I didn't see anything listed. I apologize for that, but once you finish, you can always contact Amy. Once you've learned this information, you're actually more than welcome to go ahead and work on the units. The videos act as a tech support. You can always go back. You can always use it while you're out and about. It is there for you. I just logged in. Once you set up your account, you are good to go. Like I said, this picture was from actually it was from yesterday. It wasn't from this morning. So I had to. Oh, let me show you what I had to do to it. Believe it or not, this unit that's supposed to be shiny stainless steel, but it wasn't because that is buildup. This unit is 3 months old, 2 or 3 months old, and this is the residue left behind, not from tea, but this is from the water, the actual minerals in the water that's in my area. They already have a filter. They have a filter for the building, but the brewer still looks like this. So, of course, it burnt out the heating element. Heating element was only, we'll just say 38 bucks. Heating element is 38 bucks. I took it apart, but this had to be clean. So I had to go in there and just wipe everything out. It wasn't it everything came right out because it was only 2, 3 months old. All right. So just giving you a little something, letting you know what's what. If you sign up, if you become certified with Bun, then you could take care of your clients whenever they buy brand new items and no one else gets introduced to your customer. And once you take all the video classes, you're going to know everything you need to know about servicing these units anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, please like, Please leave any questions you have in the comment section below, and I will address them. Thank you again for watching.